After a day of campaigning, we're off to the pub.
And this is what, a Welsh-speaking pub, is it?
Yeah, it's a Welsh language centre, but you don't have to speak Welsh to go into the pub, so you'll be all right.
That's just as well.
The Saith Seren's become one of the favourite watering holes for Wrexham's younger indie crowd. Tonight, the pub is celebrating Welsh Language Music Day. I figure it's a perfect chance for me to be brave and try out some of my Welsh.
Hello. Gai dau gwrw os gwelwch yn dda. What do I want, Kieran?
Wrexham.
I'm stumped. Wrexham. Diolch. How'd I go there?
Centuries of assimilationist practices by the English pushed the Welsh language, known as Cymraeg, towards extinction.
Diolch.
But in recent years, there's been a major push to preserve it,
Cheers, Iechyd
Iechyd da.
with a national goal to have 1 million Welsh speakers by 2050.
I think it's worth remembering that there was previously a lot of persecution around the Welsh language as well. I mean, you look at the Welsh Knot, and that was a system where if you were caught speaking Welsh in school, you'd have this knot, and then if you had the knot at the end of the day, then you would get beaten. So I think that is like another aspect that in our history that did happen, and I think that played a part in sort of wiping the language out a bit as well.
Kieran's friend Becca Martin is standing at the next UK general election representing Plaid Cymru, a pro-independence party. Like Kieran, Becca didn't grow up speaking Welsh. They're now learning and hoping to become fluent, but they say language shouldn't deter people from joining the cause.
You don't have to speak Welsh. If you're interested in independence and you call Wales your home, you are welcome, and I think it's really important that people understand that.